Try to put it on the tree, like say like you putting it on the tree. And hold it at the bottom with your other hand to cover up that. Yeah.
Yeah, she need to be a director.
For real. She did this in school, for real. Alright, so y'all, I'm about to try something new. One of my friends last year who does YouTube, she told me that I should do like Vlogmas and just, you know, like make vlogs and stuff every day of December. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, that's what it is. Basically making a video every day for the month of December. Knowing me, I won't make it to every day, but I'm going to really try. But I'm going to incorporate a lot of makeup and beauty stuff in my everyday uploads because that's what my channel is about, and I might do like some random other stuff, but mainly I'm going to be posting like a lot of like beauty and makeup stuff. So today I'm going to start it off. I am headed to work right now, but I'm headed to work right now, but later on I'm doing my friend's makeup because she's doing Vlogmas as well, and she is filming her intro today. So I'm doing her makeup for her intro, and I thought, why not vlog this experience and let this be one of my uploads for the month of December. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned and just follow me today, and yeah, we're gonna have fun. Okay, so make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all stay tuned in for the rest of my vlogs for this month. I don't think anybody has ever done this who's like a beauty channel, done Vlogmas. I've never seen it. I don't know. If y'all seen it, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I've never really heard of a person who does like makeup and stuff and beauty and, you know, skincare and all that. I never really heard of them to do Vlogmas. So I might be the first. But yeah, I'm just chilling, y'all. My nails look a mess. I need to get them done. They cute, but they look a mess. The struggle is real out here. I don't even want to go into it, but the struggle is real out here, okay? Y'all, it be so freezing cold in my job. Yeah, I be bundled up. Do you see I have on this coat? Be bundled up. Then I have my earphones. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back inside. But I usually wear these earphones when I'm editing, and they feel like earmuffs. Like they keep my ears warm. So it's ridiculous. I'm headed to my car to pick up my lunch. I left it in the car. I don't even remember where I parked. I parked over here. Yeah, I left my lunch in the car, so I'm about to go get it, go back inside, warm it up. Yeah, stay tuned. Y'all, my hat is disgusting. Do you see this on top of my hat? Well, under my hat. Disgusting. It's from makeup, like having makeup on my hands after I do my makeup in the morning. And then I put my hat on and I just like pull it down. So like now it's like filthy. I need to throw it in the wash machine. Okay, y'all, so I just got off of work. I am in the car headed to my house. I left some makeup that I need. So I'm just gonna run to my house really quick. I live like 10 minutes away from my job, so it's not like out of the way. So I'm gonna run to my house, grab what I need, and go straight to Danita's house. She lives like 45 minutes from me. It's kind of far, but I'm doing this for her because I love her. So yeah. Alright, sis, you gonna be my second video for Vlogmas. I got a mukbang I never edited. I'm gonna make that number one.
That's why I'm like, I'm gonna put some old shit up with this.
The video that you posted yesterday, you should have used that.
For one of my days? Damn, I should have.
we finished doing her intro.
Yes.
Now we're like over here editing. It should be done tonight.
Yes. I'm
Hopefully.
tired, y'all. My eyes, you can see it's getting droopy.
I know. Look at her makeup.
Looks
good. Finally on my way home. I have a 45-minute drive. I'm so sleepy. It's like 1 in the morning. I won't be home until almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah, we finished it. I did her makeup. We shot her intro and I edited it. Me and her friend worked on it. It's like a little over 20 seconds, and it took us like 2 hours just to edit that. It's fire though. Like, her intro go hard. I might post it on this video. I don't know, but if I don't, you guys can just go to her channel and subscribe to her. She just started her YouTube channel. D.Renee, D.Renee, R-E-N-E. So yeah, go subscribe to her channel, check her out. She's doing Vlogmas as well, so every day she will be posting a video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You're trapping through the snow, selling 9 heifer bricks in 4 ways. Over the hills we go, got an extendo and an AK.